What's up, friends? Welcome back to another vlog. We are right now in Hong Kong, just landed.
It's 3 a.m.
California time.
and 7 p.m. Hong Kong time.
Hong Kong time.
So good morning, good night. We don't know where we're at. We have 18 hours layover, so we are gonna go into the city and see what trouble we can get into.
Yeah.
Try not to get arrested so that we can get back on our flight and actually make it to Bali.
We both have not been there to Hong Kong, and so we're super stoked to see the city, explore for the very first time.
Yeah.
And we actually feel pretty good from the flight. It was a super chill flight. We got to sleep for a lot of it, knowing that we will have to be up all night. But still, we want to start our trip with coffee, and so now the first mission is number 1, to find coffee and then take the train, go to downtown.
Trying to find this vegetarian restaurant. I don't know about this.
We're down to eat some Chinese food, of course, but for now we don't want to do any experiments since we only have one day. And what we've seen so far is all pork and beef, and or we can't read it and then we don't know what it is. And then it's not worth risking anything with milk or so, and then feel bad. So we'll look for some vegan specific restaurants. Hopefully we can find something. It's already pretty late. But I heard Hong Kong never sleeps. We found it, Bre. Thanks for bringing us here.
Yeah. We found a vegan cafe that is open for another half hour. So we jumped in. It's called The Kind. It's called Kind Kitchen. And their motto is, kindness is always in season. And we're
They have many mottos actually.
Yeah, they have them all
They have
over.
signs everywhere.
Kindness costs nothing. Kindness tastes good.
Be kind to every kind.
There's some over there too. The earth is what we all have in common. So a little bit of navigating up and down some stairways the wrong way, but we made it. It's like when you're traveling and I don't know, you don't know where you're at or what direction to go. It's easy to get frustrated with people or situations around you, but for Flo and I just, I don't know, it's an opportunity for us to tune in more to ourselves and listen to our breath and enjoy being a little lost and just figuring it out. We did it!
We did it. Thanks for navigating.
Yeah.
Thanks to you.
We get rewarded with yummy food.
So I got some food now, and then we'll go to some markets and check out some sites that we picked. We'll probably pick some more now that we wait for the food. And then go explore a little bit. We have all night still, and we ordered some more espresso. So we make sure we are ready and good to go and stay up. Alright, here we go, back outside, back on the road, feeling good.
Go explore, find some markets. I don't know if anything's open, but we'll find out. So it's downpouring outside. And everyone and their mother has an umbrella, and we're resisting the urge to buy one because we're only here for, I don't know, 5 more hours.
Well, in Bali it's gonna rain too, but we also have our jackets and we have a hood we can put on. So it's fine, but it's not very comfortable when it's raining pretty hard.
It's an experience.
Yeah. Still trying to sightsee, still trying to film a lot, and challenging. But yeah, now we're warming up and we got some sugar-free vanilla latte with soy milk. Fancy Starbucks stuff. The only thing that was open. We tried some other local coffee shops, but it's already almost midnight.
11.
Or 11 or so, yeah.
Yeah, so here we are to dry off, catch our breath, figure out where we're going next, and carry on.
We thought that in Hong Kong there's no Google and no Instagram and no WhatsApp and no Facebook, but all of this works. That's pretty cool. So we're stoked that we can use Google Fi and just have internet, and Bre can do all the research and be on her phone while I drink coffee and check out next places to go and to see, because we did no preparation at all. We were just too busy and we're like, let's go to Hong Kong, let's explore the city, and we'll figure everything out while we're here. But that's also usually how we travel. We pick like 1 or 2 spots we want to go to and then just start walking around. So if we have walked a lot, which is great after this long flight, and Bre is now researching more, and let's see what's next for a midnight tour. Thank you for looking up stuff.
Yeah, I found an awesome lookout point. It's a hour and 20-minute walk or a 20-minute taxi, but we do have 10 hours, so maybe we should walk. I don't know, stay tuned.
That's ambitious. I need more coffee for that. Probably taxi is better, especially when it's raining. It seems like it's stopping soon, we will see. Our plan is to stay up till sunrise for blue hour. I don't know how blue it's gonna be here when we flew in. It all looked kind of greenish, but yeah, that would be great to see sunrise and then go back to the airport. We'll see if we can stay up for 6-7 more hours. We'll see. So we tried to go up to the peak. It's called Victoria Peak.
Victoria Peak, yeah.
But then while we were on the bus ride was 30 minutes. It started to rain really heavily, really bad. As you can see, we're like completely wet, and we made it all the way to the peak, but this is currently the view, so we're not even climbing, hiking up all the way. It's super windy, and check out this view, how much you can see. Can't see anything. This is super bad.
Yeah.
Look at this. Can't see anything here at the peak. Oh man, cops are coming already. Try to make sure we're okay, and why the heck are we at the peak?
So it's 2 in the morning and we're gonna try to find a taxi down.
Because we took the last bus, and so no one's here and no bus anymore, and hopefully we can find a taxi. Otherwise we will see if there's an app like for taxis.
Yeah.
And then I think we'll go back to the airport because it's just too rainy. Now it's really it's getting pretty uncomfortable, very windy, super rainy. So I think we saw enough. Unfortunately, the weather wasn't on our side.
Yeah.
Let's go back to the airport.
We'll just have to come back another day.
Yeah.
Do another day trip to Hong Kong.
Another night.
The double-decker, the double-decker bus through downtown was actually amazing though. So still worth it.
Yeah.
But I'm ready to go snuggle and spoon.
Good. Let's go back. Let's find our way back. We got on the last bus. Somehow it said there is no more bus, but then there was a bus coming. How it oftentimes is in other countries. And there was just this bus, and this guy is just hauling down the hill again.
We are hauling down this hill right now.
Yeah, we are on the top level of the double-decker bus, very front. and they even say put the seatbelt on, so I need to put on my seatbelt.
Yeah, this is gnarly. Oh my gosh. We thought that driving the RV was bad. This is like... We're like hitting trees.
Way too much.
Oh my gosh. Oh, in all my beautiful 3 a.m. glory. Yeah, close up. Give it to me. All the pores.
What pores?
Is it already recording?
Yes. There's no pores, like baby skin. Well, we made it to the airport. It's 3 a.m. and we have to wait a couple more hours, just a few more, until our connection flight. But at least now it's not raining anymore. We put our jacket out and shoes and everything to dry.
Well, not yet, but...
Well, I did. I was smart. Breathe.
I'm still sleepy.
Sleepy already. Yeah, so we'll just get comfortable here on those benches. We found some that have 3 seats with no armrest in between, so we'll just lay down and sleep for a couple hours and then
Little naps. Yeah.
take a nap.
Yeah, but that was super fun, running around the city and not really knowing where we're going or what to look at, and it just made it really fun, liberating, just to run around and jump on a bus and jump in a taxi and just explore, walk all over. My feet hurt so bad. Lots of walking over the last 10 hours, but it was amazing.
See you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, consider subscribing, and we'll see you in the next video soon.
Yes. Good night.
Have a good night. Bye.